Welcome, Holdspark Nation. Today is going to be a crazy day. We are going to try to sell 5 Hustle and Fit duffels. That's the business that I started. Lost my job because of the pandemic, and then basically went out and started to build my own business. It's going to be crazy. We're going to go out, meet some business owners, and we're going to try to sell 5 duffels. That's the goal today.
5 hours later.
Not later, not 3, 2. I think your tire is flat. Are you gonna get a duffel? Like, are we gonna do this?
If you're interested in this, subscribe, join our Facebook group, and keep going on this journey with me. All right, we're at the first location right now. We're gonna basically be selling the Hustle and Fit duffel bag. First place is gonna be at Workhouse. We're gonna be meeting Zach. Zach's gonna come out and we're gonna basically go through his gym. It's a great location. It's what we call a micro gym, made for specialized training of clients, which is awesome. But anyways, we're gonna go in there. You're gonna get to see the whole thing. But the bottom line is, we're gonna try to get him to buy some more duffels. I didn't sell as many as I thought I would on Amazon. Today I'm actually trying to get rid of, I got some duffels in the car actually, so
okay,
I want to know how many did you want to actually pick up?
Well, same thing as last time. Let's grab like a box.
Okay.
Because again, we just got to figure out space.
Yeah.
That's our biggest issue. So yeah, let's grab a box off you today. We ran out literally within a few days. Last time.
Okay.
It's super popular. Our staff loves it. Our clientele are all interested in getting one. So yeah, sounds good.
That's it. Wow, we just sold a box right there. That just happened. Zach's actually picking up a couple more boxes, at the Workhouse. This is awesome. The one thing was, I didn't actually tell you all the details on what a micro gym is and how it all works. So, Zach, can you kind of explain what this gym is all about?
Yeah, sure. So my partner and I, when this whole pandemic started, we decided to open up a micro studio. So this is a space that is private, so that it's appointment-based only. We wanted to provide the space for our therapists, or massage therapists, our physios, or chiros, a safe space for them to see their clients and their patients. Next week, I'll see another box.
All right, cool. 7:07 a.m. We've got up since 5 o'clock, but you know what? If you want to make money, you got to get up early.
A few moments later.
You gotta be kidding me, bro. Like, one of the stores that we had booked in today is canceling. So what we're gonna be trying to do is, we've got 2 more locations and 2 more opportunities to sell our last duffel. We're gonna try to make it happen, and there's still an opportunity. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. That was a loss, but we gotta keep going. So today, what I'm thinking about is we're running around today. We're trying to sell some more duffels. I wanted to know, would you actually like to pick up some more duffels today?
What, here?
Yeah, for this location.
Well, I haven't sold anymore. I haven't sold any yet, right? So I haven't sold any yet. They're still there. Obviously, we're just put on the website. We have 10 right now in stock, the one I bought, right? I took one myself. I wouldn't be able to purchase more right now because I'm in a slump right now too, right?
No,
so
yeah.
Really, really bad, bro. I still got an overhead. I got a lot of overhead every month.
Unfortunately, we couldn't sell any more bags. Arthur has actually bought 10 already, so it makes perfect sense that he can't pick up any more. But, Arthur, we never got a chance to actually talk about your location. Like, what do you do at Hercs?
Yeah, so you know what? We started 5 years ago. I was super obese growing up, and that was one of the brands that put me on track. So when I came to Toronto, we opened this beautiful store right here in the core of downtown TO, which is just down the street from the Rogers Center. And the whole concept behind this whole store was to tell the truth. You're supposed to come in here and get great energy. We compacted it with the better products on the market without the fluff. You know what I mean? We try to support a lot of Canadian brands. Our store is probably 80% full of all Canadian brands. I believe in them, and I believe we have superior clean products here in Canada. So that's the whole vibe. Come down anytime, pick up a bag, because we picked up 10 of them. We love them. Wait until you guys see some content. Love it.
We're driving. My cameraman Mikey gets out the car and he's like, "Hey David, I think your tire is flat." So now we're at Mr. Lube. I have to go get a tire, and we have to still make it to the last location. This is all that happens in business. So we gotta get that tire fixed, get a spare on it as quickly as we can, so that we're not late for the meeting. Because if we're late for the meeting, you know how it goes in business. People don't want to do business with you. So this is just my life. Okay, we're at the last location. All we gotta do is sell one more bag. Now we're at the F45. It's a calisthenics type cardiovascular workout, and I think they're gonna go for the bag. But we're gonna try. This is our last shot. Let's make it happen. Hey man, how's it going? Welcome to F45. Yeah, it's going good, man. It's crazy weather out there. Had a flat tire, but it's getting better right now. So, I wanted to talk to you about some business, but I also wanted to know, what do you guys do here at F45?
So our actual goal for personal training, in a sense, is class training. So if you want to step on in, I'll kind of briefly show you what goes on. So if you look around, obviously with COVID, how we have the gym set up is you have squares. So when you are doing your workout, you're going to be staying within your square, okay? You're going to be following the TV. So again, if you're number 8, you're going to stick with number 8 there, following suit with each and every single exercise. The actual goal of F45 is to implement every type of training from every sport and kind of style of workout from the world.
Cool, and I actually think what I have is actually would be great for the F45 client. So I have what we call a hustle and fit duffle. And this bag is pretty crazy. I built it when I was like an overweight financial planner. Yep. Basically, it can convert into a backpack. You can actually put your meals into the backpack itself. So you can put your food in there.
Nice.
You can also, it's all insulated. And then at the same token, you have your shoes that can go in there. So it's pretty much your garment, you can put your whole clothes in there. So I think it's like a great bag that I think, you know, F45 could actually really use. So would you like to buy a bag?
I mean, I'm in, but you know, you're gonna have to earn your stripes here. So we're gonna run you through a workout. We're gonna get you set up. What we'll do is get you to change, and we're gonna get you going soon enough. So if you can do the workout properly and through enough, I'll think about buying a bag.
All right, anything for business. This is what it is. So Josh, are you gonna get a duffel? Like, are we gonna do this?
You work pretty hard. I'll buy a duffel.
Oh, we did it.